Welcome back for the online class. Let us continue from the previous class about 4, 8, M adjacency. Okay, in 4, you can move horizontally and vertically along the neighbor pixel. In 8 adjacency, along with the 4, there is a horizontal and vertical. Additionally, you can go in diagonally also. Okay, this is what the concept. Okay, I explained in previous class. And also, we need to find a path with the 4, 8 and M. Okay. Now, this is how the adjacency to be found for 4. 2 pixels P and Q are supposed to be values from the vector V. 8 adjacency along the diagonal also. Okay, the 2 pixels P and Q with values from V are 8 adjacents if Q is in the set N8 of P. Okay, for M adjacency must have two conditions. You can go in N4 of P. N4 means the sense you can go horizontal and vertical. Okay, or Q is in set of ND of P. Okay, means the diagonal intersecting pixel should not have any value from the vector V. Then only you can make a diagonal connection. This is what the concept is. Okay, now let me have example related to this adjacency and path. Let us consider vector v. V is equal to 1 and 2. Provided y v is given, you make a connection between the two pixels if the pixel has a value from vector v. Now, I hope the point is clear. Okay. Now, in the left side, there is a one image will be given in the left side. This one, we call it as this one. It is an image. Image has got like a 3 rows and the 3 columns. Let us assume that the each position will be mentioned as row wise and the column wise, starting from 1, row 2, row 3 and column 1, 2, 3. Okay, since its position is mentioned like this, I hope it is clear. Okay, the position of the each pixel will be 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 3 1, 3 2, 3 3. Okay, I think it is similar to your matrix. If there is like a 10 by 10 matrix, each position will be 1 1 2, okay, 1 10, 10 by 10 matrix. Similarly, I have to find a path between 1 3 to 3 3. Means I need to calculate the path between 1 3 to 3 3. Okay, this is what the statement of the example. Okay, now let us go with the first with the 8 adjacency. In 8 adjacency, you can go in horizontal vertical, also you can go diagonally also. Okay, when you are going in like a horizontal vertical, okay, now I all the way, what is my ultimate goal? To reach from 1 3 to 3 3. How you reach? That is important. Okay, initially I will choose a path 1 3 to 1 2. Means I am going in this way. This way. Why I go this way? Okay, because what are the neighbors of this pixel? 1 2 0. 1, okay, look at this one. This one is from the vector v, yes. 2 is from the vector v, yes. 0 is not from the vector v, you can't have a connection. So I made a connection between 1 3 to 1 2. Okay, just for you to understand simplicity, I went in this fashion. Okay, how? 1 3 to 1 2. Okay, I went here. Okay, now all the way where I am right now, I am in position 1 2. Where you have to reach? You have to reach to the 3 3. Okay, now which are the neighbors of this one? Okay, 0 is a neighbor, you can't go because it is not from the vector v. This 0 is from the v. No. 2, yes, you can go. Means where you came now? 1 2 2 2 2 means you reached at this position. Okay, I hope you understood. Now in which position you are now? 2 and 2. Now which are the neighbors of this pixel now? Neighbors of this 2 2 0, you can't go because it is not from the vector v. 0 you can't go, v this 0 you can't go, all the way you can go here because it's a diagonally also you can go in 8 adjacency. So how you reached here? 1 3 1 3, okay, 2 1 2 1 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 3 3. Okay, assume that the distance between the two pixels, I am repeating, the distance between the two pixels is considered as, length will be considered as 1. Means initially the two pixels, this one 1 1. What is the length here? 1. What is the length here? Okay, let us consider. Length will be 1. This will be 1. This will be 1. Means what is the total length? The total length is required to reach from this pixel to this pixel will be 3. I hope you understood. Just to count here. Okay, you don't have like a 2 or distance between the two pixel will be a 2 or 3, something like this. Just a simple concept that the distance between the adjacent pixel will be 1. Okay, now you may have a question that, okay, now what is the length you get here? 3. There is a one more path is also exist to reach from 1 3 to 3 3. Which is that path? You can go in this fashion. Yes. Why? Because it's a diagonally. Okay, which are the neighbors of 1 1 1? This is from the v. Yes. 0, it is not from the v. 2 is from the v. Yes, you can go. Okay, now where you are now? 1 3 to 2 2. Right? 1 3 to 2 2. Okay, what is the distance now? 1. Okay, now how, where you are now? 2 2 2 2 3 3 3. Okay, where you are reaching now? You are reaching the destination. Then how much the length it will take here? 2 and 3. Okay, now you can think over that. There is a totally two paths are exist to reach from one pixel to 2. There is a 1 3 to 3 3. We call it as ambiguity. To over this ambiguity, the m path will be, or m adjacency concept will be given. Simple as that. Okay. Now how this m path adjacency concept will be understood. Okay, I hope you understood. Initially there is a length will be 3 and the 2. You may get of the concept will be giving ambiguity for the statement of the example, that there are the two paths existing are different, 3 and a 2, and provided you have to choose the shortest one. Okay, there is a concept will be there. Okay, now to overcome that, we are looking into m adjacency. Okay, now m adjacency in which, okay, now look at this. When you are going, this is very interesting kind of operation for the m adjacency. Now where you are right now, I'll go again with the initial point 1 3 1 3. Okay, now I'll go to 1 3 1 3 2. Okay, now which one will choose here? Okay, let us assume that you thought that like a shortest interval is required. I will choose this. Assume this because it is giving only 2 in m path. Okay, now which are the adjacent pixels of 1 and 2? When you are making a connection between in the diagonal way, which are the common pixel? This is a common pixel. This is a common pixel. Right? There is a common pixel will be available for this. Okay. Now with the common pixel, you need to be, which are the common pixel? That is 1 2 and 2 3 are the common pixels. These common pixels should not have a value from the v. If they don't have a value from the v, then only you can make a diagonal connection. I hope I make a clear point. Okay, means this is 1. Anyway, it is from the v. but 0 is not from the V, so you don't say that I can go from 1 to 2. No, the both the interest, that is a common pixel for the neighbor, for common pixel for this pixel and this pixel, these should not be from vector V. Then only you can make a diagonal connection. Then how can I go all the way? Then how you can go all the way? You can go in n4 of P. Means if this path cannot exist all the way, you can move in n4 of P. Means in the horizontally you can move. When horizontally in the sense which direction you can move? That is 1 3 to 1 2. You can go. Okay. Now 1 3 to 1 2 1. Length will be considered as 1. Okay. Now all the way. Okay. Can I go down here? Yes. What is the length here? 1. The total length is what? 2. Total length now 2. Okay. Where you are right now? Now you are in 2. Now look at this one again. You all the way where you have to reach now? 3 3. Okay. Now again you look into this one, which is a common pixel for this 2 and 1. 0 and this 0. Are they from V? No, because there is no common value from the V. Then directly you can go. You can have a connection. I hope this example is giving a very much clear picture for you. Initially, the neighboring pixel, the common, when you are making a diagonal connection in this fashion, this 1 is from V, you can't go. The 2 to 1 you can go, because the 0 and the 0, the neighboring, the common pixel for 2 and 1 are they are not from V, so that you can make a direct connection. So you can go from what? 2 2 to 3 3. So what is the direction here? So total length, how much you get here? That is 1 1 3 2 1 3 to 1 2 1 2 to 2 2 2 2 to 3 3. Total what? 1 1 1. The total distance it will be covered as 3. I hope you understood this one. Okay, because how we need to be calculate this one, that is very much important, because I'm just repeating here. The neighboring, when you are making a diagonal for M path, when you are making a diagonal connection with the corresponding pixel, you need to see the intersecting pixel should not be from vector V. If it is not from the V, you tell that you make a connection, provided, okay, if at both the intersecting pixels, they should not be from V. Okay, in the initial condition, what has happened? This is from the V, but this is not from the V. Okay, you don't say that, yeah, I make a connection. No, not like this. The both intersecting, this one and this one, they should not be from V. Then only you can have a connection, proper connection. Means you can make a path. Otherwise, you can't make a path. I hope the point will be clear. Okay, since I'll be dealing few more examples related to this one, so that you can understand much easily. Okay, I'll conclude the today's class. Thank you.